Up, it's your boy back again for another video. Me and Two Time up early this morning. Finna go hit this highway. We're gonna pick him up. He getting him a new toy. Know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is. Gonna put it in the title, but let's hit the highway. Yeah.
Fall off yours though. Oh yeah, you gotta get a little gas on it, yeah. Alright, man.
Alright, so we just left. We just left looking at the bike, man.
And it was really a nice bike, but it needed about probably about $400 or $500 worth of work. It needed a speedometer. I was going to get a back tire. It needed plugs, and it had some issue with the lights or something. I really don't want no project or nothing like that, but it was really a nice bike. But the thing that really scared me, I'm just being honest, the guy we crunked the bike up finally, and the guy went in the road right in front of his house and failed.
That kid vote. That man, that took a big.
He was wobbling.
He
I'm talking about everywhere and fell off the
Kid
bike.
boy, I looked up. Hey, what? I said, Kid vote, this nigga done hit the ground.
I was like, oh my God. And then
I said,
once he hit the ground, I was like, I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. It's over with.
Bro, I
I
realized
had my mind made up.
Bro, I was finna get the camera out. I was finna be like, yeah, I'm finna get it out. You know, dude finna be on his last.
heavy though, cause he picked it up.
I was finna be like, dude, on his last ride, I'm finna get the camera out. I should have had the camera out. Oh, man. But, so, we on the way back home. Not so much empty-handed, because Two Times still got his pocket full of money. So.
Yeah, I'm about to go back to the bank and drop these vans back in there.
So, it ain't nothing but a tank of gas, man. So.
Yeah, and you know, we got away from home today, you know. So, I mean, we just
Yeah, you know, ain't nothing to
we
it.
got another 100 miles to go, but it's all right. We all right. We chilling.
We really like chilling. We ain't here talking, hollering.
We off. We chilling.
So yeah, man. I guess I update y'all. We end up doing something else. Sorry, see how it is. That's a real life trash truck. It's a real life trash truck. Alright, yeah. Now we out here at the junkyard. No, I'm talking about the best place to be when you're looking for the piss narcs. See what I'm talking about?
When you looking for anything.
When you're looking for damn near anything. Where did this shit get on
the
this?
right hand side.
Where?
Oh, there you go right there, the yellow thing.
Let me see what this motor oil looking like.
This is see too. Gotta see what that filter looking like.
Ooh!
Oh, that filter on there. Nah, that was not.
Gracious.
We see what it looks like.
It ain't really that bad.
Oh, it ain't? Look at it.
Yeah, it ain't that bad.
Keep on looking at that hole.
Kifo, let it make it in case somebody come snatch your little ass motor. Let it make it, Kifo. Let's not mess it up. They out here tripping, bro. Look at here. Bro, they tripping, bro. They 4x, bro. Big trains. They tripping, bro. They out here tripping, bro. They tripping. They tripping. They used to have some 12 valves out here. Let me see if they still got them out here. Yeah, they go a 24 valve right there. Got dog. Let me zoom in. I can't zoom in, but it's 24 valve right there. Got dog. Sitting in here, somebody out here gonna want that out there somewhere, looking for one. Real talk. This out here getting ranked on. Well, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I guess we went, ate good, got dog. What else we do? Went to the junkyard, got dog. Now we out here.
Finna shoot good.
Finna shoot good. You know what I'm saying? That's how we coming. So, yeah, you know. We out here chilling. This is a good Wednesday, boy. What a good Wednesday.
Making this thing rain.
Shit.
Man.
You want to shoot my old fuel pump?
Yeah, what's that?
Let me see what I'm gonna do to this fuel pump. Did I miss? I think I did. I'm high. No, I'm not. I'm hitting it.
I got one that hung up. Day 2 times production. Yeah.
So he gonna let that 21 ride.
Oh, my finger got tied.
Ooh.
My finger got a little tied.
What you think of it?
I like it. I couldn't do that with mine. It bit out my hand.
Alright, y'all. Yesterday I didn't end the video. I forgot to end the video. By the time me and Two Time got back, both of us was pretty well ready to end the day. But instead of me ending the video, I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all with me today. Show y'all what I'm talking about. Show y'all what else I be doing besides messing with and working on my truck. So hopefully you like the content. Hopefully you still interested in God dog. Guess I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Let's get it. Y'all, so I'm quote unquote on set and we done got the location. Getting ready, we finna get out here and shoot a video. Me and KG out here finna get a little video done, God dog. So come on. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we out here, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Alright, so KG finna send the drone, but he finna get some footage up top. I'm finna wild out in the parking lot, get a couple donuts, whoops real quick for the video. So I'm set y'all up, let y'all see. I'm talking about, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? What's going on? What's going on? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I here with KG the best. You know what I'm talking about?
He crashing right now. He crashing.
Yeah, way up here in the old shit.
I hope this shit don't fall.
It ain't.
Yeah,
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So now I'm finna wrap the video up. Me and KG done for the day.
We did all that. Being productive, you know what I'm saying? All day, every day, 2018. You gotta be productive. Can't be on your ass. You gotta do something. You gotta do goddamn
something. Yeah, so we walking that done for the day. Now I wrap the video up. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all already know how it go. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave me some comments if y'all interested on the stuff that I do.
Hold on, let me tell you folks.
Other than messing with the truck.
Hey, shot with me. I'm gonna get you in
Tell them who you is.
KG, the motherfucking bitch, you know what I'm saying? You can just type that shit in on Google and everything gonna pop up. You know that nigga be lying talking about Google me. Nah, like for real. You can type in KG, WTHA, not THE, because that's D. I said WS, goddamn it. Follow me, goddamn, on everything. Everything gonna pop up.
Yeah. So yeah, y'all already know how it go. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit up KG. Follow KG. Follow me. Let me know if you're interested in the content that I do besides messing with my truck. Real life, leave them comments for real. And